Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, The Head Savage Kitchen, where your boy here always cooking something like a savage. What I got for you today is gonna be something real simple and sweet and good for you to eat. What it is gonna be is hot water cornbread. And I got another video up there of something that you can put those hot water cornbread with, my good old pinto beans. So stick around and check it out, folks. You're gonna like this. Get some. Okay, now folks, what you're gonna need here is 2 cups of cornmeal. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's go ahead and get our dry ingredients mixed together. We're gonna add some hot boiling water to this once this is all mixed up. And you add the hot water in slowly, but what we're looking for is a consistency that's something like Play-Doh. Wet sand a little bit, but more like Play-Doh. So we're just add a little bit at a time and stir until we get that texture we're looking for. And we're looking for that Play-Doh texture. That hot water gets to cooking this cornmeal. It's smelling good already, folks. I tell you that. Smell like a good old country kitchen in here. Alright, now what I'm going to do here is get a couple of spoons just to smash it together and see if it's the texture I want. We're looking for it to look smooth once we press on it and hold together. Not too runny, just remember that, just smooth and hold together. Yep, like that there. Get a little bit more. I like to make mine look like little Twinkies. I mean, you can make it look like however you want, but I like mine to look like little Twinkies. And I'm just gonna make a couple of them. Now let's get over here to this grease, folks. You want to make sure your grease is at a good 350 degrees, because you want these things to start frying as soon as they hit that grease. Yeah, just like this. And we just gonna let them get golden brown on each side. We're not gonna leave them there too long. Typically that's about 3 minutes for each side, depending on your skillet. My skillet is pretty thin here. It's not the cast iron one. Alright, we want this texture, this color right here. I mean, for me, if you're making them like Twinkies, you know. I'm gonna drain a little bit of this grease out before I put them out. Get as much grease off as I can. Alright folks, this is what you want right here. And while they're still nice and hot, you want to give them a flip like this here, so that grease can still drain off while it's still hot. Thanks for stopping by the Head Savage Kitchen. I hope you like what you tried. I hope you did try it. And if you didn't like it, maybe you can find something else that you might like. Experiment with a lot of different things. Click on one of those links up there. It'll take you into another recipe. Thank you for watching.